Welcome to another YouTube video. I've got Mason Outdoors back with me.
Hello, hello.
We're currently in the parking lot. We're gonna embark on our journey into our fishing spot. It's about half a mile that way over some rough terrain. Hopefully we get into some massive walleye. Let's do this. And just like that, we have made it to the spot. The water's a little high, so we're gonna have to be fishing in this jungle, but we're still gonna try and make it work out. Let's get rigged up and catch some Wisconsin state record walleye. All right, I'm gonna put night crawlers on one of my rods. I'm gonna go with that guy. Oh, need my rod. I'm gonna hook this and leave a lot of slack off so those fish can really see it. Just like that. All right, on rod 2, got this big old minnow, just like that. We forgot the pole holders for Mason, so what you can do is just find a stick like this with a Y up top and then just break it off like that so your pole can sit right in there like that, and then you just stick this end in the ground. For the third rod, I've got a medium-sized minnow going out. All right, we're all set up and ready to go. Hopefully you guys can see my 3 rods right here. We're gonna test out, see what's working. Hopefully catch some river monsters. Well, it is an extremely nice day. This is one of the best weather days that Mason and I have had on our past few fishing trips. We're honestly just glad to be out here enjoying the weather. Hopefully we can catch some fish as an added bonus.
That should be far enough. I feel like my middle's off though.
This pole definitely just got a bite, or something hit it or something. Or something or something. Fish on?
Yep, fish on.
Oh yeah. Mason's hooked up to the first fish of the day.
Too easy.
Is that on a minnow?
Yeah.
Not a bad one.
So good.
Nice hook set.
He's a little tiny guy.
About 12.5 inches. Mason just got the first fish of the day, as you guys saw. A nice little walleye, 12.5 inches. We're hoping for more of those, just maybe double to triple that size. That was definitely a bite. Did you see that?
Fish on?
Oh yeah.
Fish on, baby.
I think it came off.
Actually, might be on the other.
Ah. Dang, that was a freaking hit too. I missed that one. That was a very good bite. I think my drag was set too loose. I'm gonna get it back out there though. With this nice of a day, I'm really surprised that Mason and I are the only ones on this beach, and there's not even a boat out here. Oh, hopefully that's still on there.
Huge bite. Oh boy.
Oh, I know what this is. Oh!
That was definitely a sturgeon too.
Oh man.
Dang it, that would have been awesome.
That thing was gone.
Instantly, as soon as you went, you just held there like
I just smacked myself in the face. Oh man, just took my hook straight off. Well, I know for sure that was a sturgeon on that rod just took off instantly along with my hook. But I'm gonna retie that and get another worm out there.
As Isaac Embark always says. Isaac embarks. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be good.
Well, Mason earned his, but I didn't earn mine. Lost like 3 small ones and 1 massive one. But I'm pre-queuing this because I'm gonna catch a fish today. I know it. Bubbler sponsor me. Alright, Mason and I are gonna move right about there. Hopefully we can hook into some more fish. Catch you when we're there. We're down here. Got my 2 minnows in, getting my worm out now. Yeah. I was so late to react to, dude. I think I missed it. Oh. Oh, get back. Yeah. Yes. Finally hooked up on a fish. Feels like a decent little walleye. Wow. Oh my gosh. First fish on my line that I actually got to see, and it popped off about 10 feet out there. Oh man, I had it hooked. Felt like a nice little walleye. Dang it, dude. Felt like a nice little walleye. Saw it. Yes. You just bullied that thing into here.
Got some liquid dripping down my arm.
Oh boy.
Not looking like a good color liquid.
What a release. I think this is that giant woodpecker that we heard from before. Oh my gosh, that thing's huge. Look at that guy. Oh, he flew. Oh. I don't know. I think so. Yeah. Got one. Yeah. Please stay on there.
I'll show you in the water.
Come here, boy. Come here. Yeah. Oh, get out of there. Oh my gosh. Finally got one. This dude got hooked on the top of the mouth.
Ooh, gotta give him the minnow.
I will. Dude's milking on me again.
I'm not trying to touch all that. How far from the back part?
Yeah. 14. My first catch. Oh, nice 14-inch walleye. My first catch of the day.
That thing driving on land?
Oh, this hasn't been recording.
Oh, snap.
Crap. Got this 14-inch walleye. You'll see it on the GoPro. That's splitting his fin right there. Beautiful fish. He's going back.
All right, go.
What a release. There he goes. He's gone. Let's go. Got my first fish of the day on a gigantic minnow. Finally got one in. That feels great. But I'm going to go ahead and get another minnow back out there in the same spot. That's ducks out there fighting. I think they're fighting over a female. That's 2 male ducks right there. Oh, he's getting them. Oh. Oh, he's chasing him down. They are gone. Oh, he's quicker. Oh. Mason and I are gonna move a little bit downriver, do some casting, and hopefully catch a river monster. All right, we're downriver a little. I got my big rod to get it way out there. Got my big 1 ounce sinker. I'm gonna throw a night crawler on there and whiz it straight out there. Hopefully I can't get one last fish for the video. There we go, we got this big night crawler. My rod's definitely going in the water if a fish bites it, but at least it's being held up for now. I'd dive in if it went in, probably. Found this nice jig head with the swim bait on there. Definitely be using that later. Oh, Mason's got a fish. Well, that makes me want to throw mine. Here's what I'm working with. Oh, oh, oh! Turn that GoPro on, boy.
What the?
Oh boy! What the?
No way. I'm catching those. Of course, dude.
You can have it if you want it.
If I want it? Yeah, you can take it.
Mason just reeled this in with his sheep head.
Wait, no! That was close.
Mason just reeled this in with his sheep head. I don't even know. I don't even know what kind of bait this is. I don't know either. I'll just take it. Oh, come on. Oh, man. I just saw a video today of a guy catching a walleye with a stringer in its mouth. Just look over and Isaac's stringer's gone. All right, I'm gonna take a few more casts on my new combo and the spinnerbait, and then we're gonna call it a day and probably go get some Jose's.
Someone got a little bit too much sun there. Ain't gonna be hurting. Oh. Dude, I almost got hit. Oh my gosh. Freaking idiot! Why are you doing all that?
All right, one last cast.
One last cast. Yo, chill. Oh my gosh. I got a fish on. Dude, I literally got my foot in your phone.
Dude!
You're gonna make it worse.
One last cast.
Oh! Dude, you just about took me out in 3 different ways.
Oh. All right, well, we gave it our all today. That's what you can say.
I caught more fish than him today. That's what you can say.
Mason finally caught more fish than me.
I always catch more. You guys know, so.
Yeah, you guys know.
If you guys watch the live streams, then you know.
Yeah, you guys know the truth. We probably caught about 4 fish total, 4 to 5. A few walleye and a sheephead, but we're gonna go eat some Jose's. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time.
See ya.